Ahoy hoy, and we're back in the room again, and yes, it's another Strat. Why is it another Strat? Because it's the most popular guitar that people make. Why is that? Because it's probably the most iconic, isn't it? Well, there's a number of reasons for why the Strat and the Telecaster are some of the most copied. When Leo Fender designed the Telecaster, it was designed to be manufactured. It is the McDonald's of guitars, and the Strat was a little improvement upon it. Well, quite a few improvements, and he did it quite well, of course. He put a tremolo in. I don't think originally, but tremolo certainly came along. Another pickup. Even in the original Strats, you had a three-way switch rather than a five-way. The headstock's a little bit bigger than the Telecaster, but it's still designed to be made. It's a couple of pieces of wood joined together. There's little bits about it that are still to this day really a very good idea. I still, personally, don't understand that. There's a volume and two tones. Okay, so volume for all of them, I get that. So is that tone for this one? And that one for that one, and then that one doesn't have anything? I think that's the original way it was set up. But, yeah, bizarre. Get rid of one of the tones, it's volume and tone, sod it all. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. So what's special about this one? It's a 3-part sunburst Squier Strat. What have we got? Made in China, the year 2000. So it's 21, it's old enough to drink. But on looking this up, oh come on, let's hope it works. On looking this up, it said made in China, AXL factory. What? AXL factory? Well, I have to make an apology on the perspex guitar video, the sort of Daft Punky Strat that I put lights in, which are now in the fish behind me. This is an AXL nothing more about AXL apart from they're an OEM manufacturer. What that means is they're a chap basically in the States who's an importer. They know a lot of manufacturing places. You want a guitar? You want your name on it? Okay, that's going to be X. You want our name on it? That'd be X minus 10%. What sort of guitar you want? Red one? Black one? Strat shape? Excellent stuff. Why? What? How? If? When? There's an AXL factory, and as everybody makes Strats, let's face it, regardless of whatever company you're running for guitars, it's here. So what do? They must have done, hello, we need some more Strats for the Squier, we need 10,000, okay, so when do you want them? About a month's time, perfect. And this is an AXL one, so it should be, and I've checked the scale length, it is 25.5, which is nice. 3-ply scratch plate. One ply on the back. Few dents and dings, but it has got the belly carve and the arm carve. What it has got that's quite different is the neck profile, and I don't normally sort of settle on those. It's got a lot flatter and wider feeling neck than normal. Okay, fingers crossed, will it work? Pickup works. Bridge in the middle. Okay, that works. Middle. It's okay. Middle of the neck. Nice. And just neck. Okay, let's put it through the governor. I don't find the pickups quite as nice as the AXL ones. I don't think they've got as much character, they're not quite as full. But that could just be me listening to rubbish again. However, as a Squier Strat, I think it's got something of its own actually here. It's got a really interesting neck, and I think that's something that we can all learn about when we're trying out guitars. Just because it's got a certain name on it, just because you might be able to look it up and say, oh, it's in that certain factory, it means absolutely bugger all. Because this neck is completely different to the Sun Mustang one, and quite a load of other different Squier Strats we've had on here before. It's a really nice neck. To the point where I'd probably like to rip out all these pickups and put a nice set of humbuckers in here. See what we can get out of it that way. It's wonderful. Lesson to be learnt: try guitars before you buy them, says the bloke who buys guitars on eBay without trying them. But I love lost cases, and I love trying to save them. No idea why I bought this one, because there's certainly no need in my collection for yet another Strat and yet another Squier Strat. But I'm glad I did, because the neck on this one is quite exceptional. Try every time, I think, is the answer. Anyway, until next time, thank you, and hopefully that's the last Strat we'll see for a while. Or is it? It is. Until next time, subscribe, videos there, cats coming up, toodle pip.